So what am I doing today? I am actually dancing because I am in a very good mood. And why am I in such a good mood? Because I just finished doing my facial. Ooh, this facial was so amazing. Now guess what? A tightening facial mask, a firming facial mask, a facial mask that is great if you have oily skin, and also an optional ingredient in the facial mask if you have dry skin. So basically it's a facial mask that most people can use and will get awesome results. So let me stop talking. If you're looking for fresh skin, if you're looking for tight skin, if you're looking for firm skin, glowing skin, and not only that, if you're looking for something to get you in the mood, to make you, to just lift your spirit and have you just this video is for you, so continue watching. Now our first ingredient is oatmeal, and take a look at our oatmeal. Now oatmeal is rich in antioxidant. It helps to protect the skin from UV ray damages. It also helps if you have eczema and psoriasis. Oatmeal also have moisturizing and antioxidant properties that protect the skin from wrinkles and fine lines. If you have oily skin, oatmeal is a wonderful ingredient to use to get rid of the oil from the skin by exfoliating the skin and cleaning out those pores. Now take a look what I have here. This is aloe vera powder. Normally I use my fresh aloe vera gel, but I'm giving the aloe vera powder a try. Now the way they make this aloe vera powder is to dry the aloe vera gel and then blend it into a powder, which is perfect for a facial mask and facial scrub. Now aloe vera is great for the skin. It have antioxidant properties that will help to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines. Aloe vera is also good for eczema. It helps to lock the moisture in the skin, therefore preventing wrinkles and fine lines. Now if you do not have the aloe vera powder, don't be afraid to go ahead and use your fresh aloe vera gel. Our next ingredient is almond milk. Now if you do not have almond milk, go ahead and use some fresh milk. And almond milk is great for the skin, very moisturizing, very hydrating, and this is also great to exfoliate the skin, especially if you have large pores. It's going to help to unclog those pores and just leave your skin fresh and bright. Now our final ingredient is coconut oil. Very moisturizing. Lock the moisture in the skin and have your skin just soft and supple. Now to make this facial mask, you're gonna need a blender, since I'm gonna be blending the oatmeal. So I'm gonna blend a 1/4 cup of oatmeal, and here we have our blended oatmeal. And now we're gonna put all this together. So for our oatmeal, I'm using 2 tablespoons of the blended oatmeal. Now the aloe vera powder is very concentrated, therefore I'm using 1 teaspoon, which is 5 ml. 1 teaspoon of aloe vera powder. If you're using fresh aloe vera gel, go ahead and use 2 tablespoons. And now I'm gonna mix these two together. I'm just gonna blend. Now once this is blended, next I'm reaching for the almond milk, and I'm gonna start with 2 tablespoons of the almond milk, which is 30 ml. Remember, if you do not have almond milk, it's okay to go ahead and use fresh milk. And for the coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Pour this in. Now if you have oily skin, you can choose to omit the coconut oil and use some lemon in this recipe. However, if you have dry skin, go ahead and use the coconut oil. So the coconut oil is actually optional, okay? And now we're just gonna blend this together. Just blend well. Now if it's a little watery, do not add any more oatmeal, because once you set this aside, the oatmeal is going to absorb the liquid and it's just going to get thick. So mix to a nice paste. And if you notice, mine is thickening, and that's exactly why you don't need to add any more liquid to it. You need it to be soft like this so it can be spreadable when you apply it to your face. Now take a look at your oatmeal aloe vera mask up close, and your mask is ready to use on your skin. You can store this mask in your refrigerator for about 7 days or maybe 10 days, okay? So now that the mask is ready, I'm gonna go on the other side and I'm gonna show you how to use this mask on your face for best result. Now guys, before you use this mask, as with any facial mask that you're going to use on your skin, you want to make sure to wash your face first. Get rid of all the grease, get rid of all the makeup, exfoliate the skin to clean those pores out and leave your skin free and clean. Now when you do this, you allow the facial mask to work best because it's going on clean skin, therefore it gets to penetrate deep into those pores and just do its work. Okay, so clean skin is best regardless if it's homemade mask or store-bought mask. For best result, you cleanse the skin before. Okay, so I have clean skin right now and I'm gonna apply the mask. This facial mask is a wonderful facial mask to just take up in your hands like this. Rub it in the hands and then apply it to your face. Lay it on thick. Make it thick. Do not let this get in your eyes, okay? Now, when you apply this mask, just give it a little, exfoliating action. Just exfoliate while you are applying the mask. Exfoliate. And that's good. And then you're going to just leave this on your skin for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you want to rinse this off, preferably with some warm water. After rinsing, then just pat dry the skin, apply your favorite facial toner, your favorite serum, and your favorite moisturizer. So I'm going to relax with this for 30 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you my result. Don't be afraid to use this facial mask on your hands. Just apply it to your hands also, and then you just stick this in a gloves and you are good to go. You're getting the best result for your face and also for your hands. So let me just go relax and come back with my result, okay? And I'm back, and take a look at my skin. My skin is looking great, and not only is my skin looking great, it is also feeling great. Ooh, very, very, very nice. Now, just go ahead and apply your facial toner, whatever it is that you like to use on your skin, your moisturizer, your serum, and just continue to use this wonderful remedy. It's best to use the remedy 2 to 3 times per week, and before you know it, guess what, guys? You're on your way to smooth, glowing, wrinkle-free, tight and firm skin. So what did I tell you? I'm still dancing. Really, really awesome, amazing facial mask. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, thumbs it up, leave your comments, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and guess what? Watch out for the next lineup of wonderful, wonderful, wonderful facials that I have in store for you. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.